I got a quick tip on these Tecumseh Snow King adjustable carburetors. You see this idle screw jet right here? When you go to put this screw back in, make sure the carburetor is facing down like this. If you have this carburetor facing up like this and you go to put that screw in there, there's a nozzle inside of there that goes up and down. If you put that screw in while you're holding this upside down, it will crash into that nozzle and destroy the carburetor, meaning it will not run right at idle. It's such a common issue that I even make the mistake multiple times. In fact, I just did it. This screw, I put it in while this was upside down, and the end of it got all smashed, which means it crashed into that nozzle. So now there's a good chance this carburetor will not work. So when you're rebuilding one of these adjustable carburetors, specifically on the horizontal motors, make sure you hold this thing the right direction when you put that screw back in there, because if you put it in the other direction, odds are you will ruin the carburetor because of a simple thing like that. That was my quick tip of the day. Do not forget that.